Hi everyone, my name's LiteratureDonkey and today we're back playing another game, maker game. Today we're reviewing a game called Work in Progress The Defender, needs advices, a game equals 100D. And it's a survival type game, so 100 days to survive, or suffice, depending. Yeah. The game is a one-screen game. If you want, you have your tower, your home at the center of the map, and each day a wave of monsters will come to destroy you, so you have to defend yourself. Possible actions: move with arrows, left, right, top to jump. Jump plus space equals grappin. I'm not entirely sure what that means. Try to hit a cloud and then move with it. Left click equals normal attack, right click is a skill attack. Mouse scrolling up and down. It all sounds quite complicated, but we're gonna get into it and give it a go. There wasn't anything. Oh yeah, other than help, sound, and balancing. I mean, yeah, because obviously help is not working. Sound and balancing. But yeah, we'll give it a go. New game, 100D. Okay, select seed number. Can we change it? Don't think we can. Oh, well, we'll go with this. New message incoming. What does this mean? Hello here. I think the font here is slightly out of focus as well. Just a quick note. This is in focus. This isn't quite. You may think this house was for free. Well, not exactly. It's a hobby of mine to let people in and then send monsters to kill them. Have fun with my minions, just in case after 100 days I will come to kill you. Signed, Big Boss Demon. Rolling Dices of Fate. Dope. Oh, okay, so for each monster it's creating like a danger level, I guess, so that it's a bit random. That's pretty cool. I like to see that. Is that the jump? I can only hit a... Okay, that's... Oh, that's really weird actually. So, just quickly, obviously the arrow keys were designed, I think, for it to be used. I'll do it in a minute. I don't know what any of this is. It all sounds quite like in-depth and stuff. We'll just put it in vitality. That seems a little bit buggy. If you spam it, it just kind of glitches out a little bit. Yeah, anyway. If you press D, you move right. But if you press A and W and S, it doesn't appear to do anything. So, that's weird. It's kind of peculiar. Do we have to go through this every day? Because it's gonna take a while. Yeah, maybe just have it run once. So yeah, I started using see, personally, I think that if you're using the mouse, then realistically, yeah, if we're using the mouse, then realistically we should be using WASD as well, because using the arrow keys and space and the mouse is pretty awkward to have at one time. That's just a personal kind of thing. Alright, this is charging. I don't know how much we can charge this for. Just charge it infinitely. It's also making quite a loud noise, so I'm gonna turn that off. It looks like we can just charge it infinitely. Does it depend how far it goes or something? Not sure what it does. I feel like the jump as well is a little bit... It doesn't quite feel like quite right, almost. Kind of seems to float, and you can like run it in midair as well. Yeah, so it kind of needs to be more fluid, like a more of an arc rather than... Okay, what's the point of opening it if there's not any upgrades? That's an interesting thing to think about. Yeah, I feel like the the bats or whatever, they flew over the head. They were a little bit quick for me, but I don't know, I might be missing something. Jump in space, left click, right click. Like, oh, we can change skills as well. I forgot about that. We only have one though, so we don't have any skills actually. So we only have our arrows. I like that. That's pretty cool. The cloud moving kind of aspect. Yeah, these go way too fast. There's no chance of me hitting that ever. What was the other thing I was gonna say? Oh yeah, the fact that we're using space as well. Like logistically, there is no way I can hit without using the palm of my hand. All those buttons at once. Like, there's no real way I can do it. Especially if I want to have, because I want to have my right hand on my mouse at all times in case something happens. So for me to then swap to using space is that, yeah, I'll have to either move my right hand over because I need my left hand on my keyboard, or the other option is I have to like, yeah, use my palm or something, and it's not the greatest for the controls. I also think, especially for just like day 3, this is gonna be a long game, so definitely some saving would be needed, because no one's gonna do it in one sitting, I don't think. I imagine it gets more difficult as well as the days go on. Well, actually, the tower doesn't regen health, so it might just be that. Might just be that. Oh, we can upgrade skills as well. Yeah, we probably should have done that. Since we have so much gold, we probably should have done that. But yeah, I imagine it goes up in difficulty. Be nice to see. I'd like to see the boss fight as well. Now, personally, this is something I think that a lot of like demos do wrong. Is that they have the game as it would be. Like, I believe you're asking for bugs and stuff, right? You say some bugs may exist, but you're not going to be able to see the bugs without like getting to all the stages. So definitely offer like, and also if the boss is there, I'm not sure if it is or not, but if it is, it's quite a big like thing in the game because it's the whole 100 days to survive it, and then you fight the boss. So maybe just have an option in the menu just to fight the boss at that one stage. Because, I mean, put it this way, you must have fought the boss to make sure it works, so I imagine you haven't played through all 100 days each time. So if you just have a button, maybe just to press it and see, because I'd quite like to give it a go, but wouldn't play the whole 100 days, especially in this video, because the 100 days is kind of repetitive, maybe. It's possibly something I'd say. Also, another thing is I would make the view a little bit smaller, because I felt that the player was quite small in relation to the room itself. So maybe just make the view a little bit smaller and just follow the player like it was in there. That'd be pretty cool to see, I think. I can't think of any other key things. The controls were a bit weird for me. It's probably the biggest thing. Have the boss available, and also what I just said about, I can't remember, I've just forgotten. But yeah, whatever I just mentioned is something you need to probably add in or do. I've completely forgotten. But anyway, that was my review of the Defender. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, what do you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.